Hello everyone, this is Amarnath. So today we are going to discuss about a most important feature which we use in our daily life. That is all about like AMT, which is also known as automated manual transmission. And this transmission was most successful because anybody can drive this car. And let me showcase you how to exactly use these features. In this there are three important features. One is creep function, and second one is shift on fly, and the third one is kick down function. So let me show you practically how to use this so that you can get beneficial on this on daily basis. All right, so without wasting time, the first one is all about like, all right, so now we are in neutral. So this is neutral, and applying brake, take the gear knob to the forward. Now we are in reverse, you can see on the screen too. And now apply the brake, bring it down. All right, now you can see the transmission is in drive mode, which is also called as automatic. And when you take this to left, it would be manual. So you can see, for example, plus in the bottom and minus in the up. So when you bring it down, the gear increases. When you want to decrease the gear, either you can take it forward, if not, optionally, while applying brake, automatically it comes down. So now let me show you practically what exactly creep function. So creep function, as we said, like without giving acceleration, the vehicle will start moving in 0 to 10 km speed. This feature would be more helpful when the passenger or when the driver commutes daily in bumper to bumper traffic. Now for example, see, I have released the brake. Now without giving acceleration, the vehicle is moving forward, and this feature, like, it helps the vehicle to drive in 0 to 10 km as long as it can without giving anything. So now if I want to increase the speed, I can increase the speed. If I want to if I apply brake, automatically the vehicle becomes idle, right? The minutes or the second I release the brake, the vehicle will start moving. So this is what about creep function is all about. And the next function, second function, as we said, like, shift on fly. So shift on fly means the name itself defines shift on fly. While on the go, if I want to shift the gear from drive to manual, so I can shift right now. So now see, we are in second gear manual, and we are approximately in 30 km speed. Now you can see even in the tachometer also, or than the MID cluster. Now it is D2, that means D3 now. All right, that means automatic third gear. Now it is in manual third gear. So without bringing the vehicle to neutral, we can shift the gear knob from automatic to manual or manual to automatic. So this is called shift on fly. And third one, let's talk about third one. Third one is all about like kick down function. So kick down function is like, for example, now we are driving in automatic. Imagine now if we require a sudden acceleration, or if the driver wants to overtake, right? Immediately, a few minutes, right? Now we are in 50 plus kilometer and D5. Now for example, if I want to overtake, if I give acceleration, it will take time to increase the speed. But the condition is if we want to overtake. Now what we can do is, if you see here, I'll give a sudden tap on acceleration pedal. All right, see here, now we are in D5. If you see on the screen, or MID, now we are in D5. Now you see I am applying acceleration pedal. Now it has come to D3. This is called kick down function, a sudden requirement of power. So ECM will sense the driver requirement and reduce the gear from D5 to D3. So this is called kick down function, and these are the three important features in automated manual transmission and the most important used features on daily basis. Thank you so much. Happy learning.